Building on their experience with self-driving cars, Google's latest autonomous transportation vehicle for urban environments is the self-driving bicycle. And what better place to test this technological marvel than in Amsterdam, the cycling capital of the world? It even comes with an app which lets you call your bike to wherever you are in the city. Unfortunately, Google Netherlands has indicated that it's only available on April 1st, but the video is quite impressive nonetheless. When Google announced their self-driving bicycle a couple of years ago, we got numerous requests about when we'd have them at Century Cycles. We are proud to announce that we are the first bike rental shop in the US to make the Google self-driving bicycle available to rent. Let's face it, you only come to Peninsula just to go to the Winking Lizard, but you go for a spin on the towpath trail first to feel good about getting in a little exercise. Now, you can kill two birds with one stone. Let the Google self-driving bicycle take your ride for you, while you relax and have a cold one on the Lizard patio. What a time saver! Rentals of the Google self-driving bicycle are just $15 per hour. See our Towpath Trail bike rental page for more details. The Dutch cycle more than any other nation in the world, almost 900 kilometers per year per person, amounting to over 15 billion kilometers annually. The self-driving bicycle enables safe navigation through the city for Amsterdam residents, and furthers Google's ambition to improve urban mobility with technology. Google Netherlands takes enormous pride in the fact that a Dutch team worked on this innovation that will have great impact in their home country.